Hello and welcome to the challenge lesson. In this lesson you will have a challenge related to the basics functions topic to practice and have sure that you understood the concepts. The challenge is to fill the cells with the results using formulas and fill the cells with the correct results using functions. The table where you're going to find the values to perform the operations is the school supplies table. I've showed you the challenge, now it's time to complete. Okay, I hope you have successfully completed this challenge. To perform the addition using formulas, we have to write equal, select the cell containing the value, plus, select other cells, and so on until we select all the cells, as we have seen on the previous lesson. Hit enter. Subtraction, well, you can do the subtraction between two values or between all of the values. I'm just going to choose D7 cells value and D6. Multiplication between all of the values that are inside of our table. Division, I'm going to choose just two columns, two cells I mean. Average is going to be the same here. I'm just going to copy, equal to all of these values over 6. Let's close and hit enter. Here we have. Using functions is just to write the function and pass the range equal. The function to perform the addition is sum. Let's select all the range is from D5 to D6, is from D6 to D11. Let's close and hit enter. Multiplication, the product, let's pass the range. Division is going to be between D8 and D9. Quotient, you can choose any cells to make the operations of addition and subtraction. D8 and D7. Average is going to be average for this range. Minimum, pass the range. Maximum, pass the range. Here we have the solution is already in front of your screen. Any question, leave in the Q&A section. Thank you.